game is Take Command, 2nd Manassas, and this is a First Bull Run map. This is a modded map remaking First Bull Run. It was made from scratch. It's unrelated to the 2 Bull Run maps that come with Take Command, 2nd Manassas. You can take a look at the mini map here. That's the map that was used to create this version of First Bull Run. So we're just going to take a quick tour here. And this is Warrenton Turnpike. We're heading west on Warrenton Turnpike. This first farm here is the Spindle Farm. And we'll continue heading sort of westward here. This house here, this one and the one behind it over there are simply marked as Negro cabins on the maps. As we come up to the stone bridge here over the Bull Run Creek, this is the bridge. Here on the sides of the creek, you can see we have some slashing here, some abattis made up. Continuing west on the other side of Bull Run, we have the Van Pelt Farm here in view of the bridge. Some fields down that way. Somewhere in the distance over there, that's the Portachee Farm that you can see sort of almost straight southeast there. We will continue this way on the Warrenton Turnpike and reach the Robinson Farm here on the left as we near Henry Hill. That's Robinson. We come up to Matthew, the stone house here. That's the stone house. Then if we look to the left, there's the Henry house up on Henry Hill, up above Warrenton Turnpike. And we'll continue to travel down westward, down Warrenton Turnpike. I believe these houses here are the Dogan Farm on the right over there. We have some additional houses there on the left as we reach Groveton here on the other end of the map. Now we're going to head northward up this road. I believe this is Sudley Springs Road. That's the schoolhouse. We'll go through sort of a wooded sector here. Sooner or later, we're going to break out of these woods. Okay, we've got some farms over here on the left. We come along. This is the Wilkins Farm over here on the left. Another farm over there. Over here, we see a rocky ridge on that part of the terrain. Advance a little further here. Excuse me. This is Sudley Church. And then as we reach this part here, we have Sudley Mill over here, crossing the Sudley Fords. And heading up to the Sudley Mansion here. And some farm buildings and other houses nearby. If we pass the Sudley Mansion, then we'll come around this way. We're heading east again. This farm here is called Mountain View on the map. Then we're going to come to Red Hill Farm. There. As we get to Red Hill Farm, we have Poplar's Ford crossing the Bull Run here. So we'll cross at Poplar's Ford and head up this way towards the Carter Mansion, otherwise known as Pittsylvania, which is situated up here. And this is what I'm using to represent the Carter Mansion or Pittsylvania, with this view out towards the rest of the battlefield. Are some other houses over this way. Should eventually take us back towards Stonehouse, here we are. Crossing Warrenton Turnpike again, um, with Henry on the left there, Henry House, Mrs. Henry's house. Heading down this way, and we're heading to New Market, which is down here at the southern end of the map. Some assorted farms down this way as well. I think it's Dr. somebody and Dr. Compton or something like that. Um, the large farm that's going to be over this way will be over here. This is the Chin Farm on Chin Ridge. And that gives you an idea of this version of Bull Run. Portage over here, heading towards these other fords. Where's Portage? There we are with this graveyard and all. Then we have some additional fords across the Bull Run Creek down this side. And these roads, after fording there, will eventually take us back through these woods. Among some other cabins back to the turnpike. So that's my mod. This is my custom first bull run mod, a little bit different than the ones that come originally with Take Command Second Manassas Game. This mod is available for download if you know how to use it with CMP3. For modders, you can get it at the site that will be listed in the description.